So hello and welcome back to another World Coin Hunt. And my name is Glenn, and in this video we're going to see if this lot of coins is anything special. So basically the moral of the story is I purchased 4 kilos of coins and I want to see what you would actually find in them. So the first coin that we got is a Papua New Guinea 50 toa, and it's from 2014. So this one has a face value of about 5 cents, but it's a nice coin. If you're going to buy it in a bulk lot of Papua New Guinea coins. And what I see in this lot are mainly just current circulating coins. So the second one we have is a 1 yuan from China. So they did change the design in 2018, I believe, or 19, one of those two. But this currently circulates. Has an exchange rate of about 20 cents. But you know, it's a current circulating coin. And 1 cent coin. So the 1 cent coin stopped circulating 30 years ago. So in 1991 they were withdrawn from circulation, but they're still legal tender. So this one's from 1970. Because it's well circulated, it's worth about 1 cent, or if you want a metal value, probably about 2.5 cents. Okay, then we have a large 50 cent coin from Fiji. So these were changed in 2008 with a smaller coin. Still legal tender. So this is 2000, circulated for about 8 years, but you know, worth about $1 or $2. Okay, the next coin, current circulating coin from the United States. This is a 1994 Philadelphia dime, or 10 cents, and it's basically the value of the coin. I sell these for about 9 coins for about $5 in Australia anyway, but in the United States these are only face value. Okay, then we have a 1919 halfpenny, well circulated coin, so not really worth that much. It has George V, and there's been hoo-ha over Elizabeth II coins, whether they're going up in value. No, they shouldn't actually. These normal circulating coins pretty much have the same value even though she passed away, like the George V coins. So these ones circulated in the UK up until 1971. So they're still legal tender, and there's millions of them out there. Then the next coin we have is a large current Fiji $2 coin. So this is one of my favourite coins from Fiji. There's a large bowl in which they make alcohol in it, I think. Tanoa. And on the back we have it's a peregrine falcon, Gani Vatu, and this is what they call Spanish flower. It's the same as the 20 euro cent. So here's a 20 euro cent, come out of the same lot. So this one is a face value of about $2 in Fiji, or $1 in Australia. But they cost about $3 or $4. So nice coin to get. This 20 cent coin, obviously post 2007, based on the actual map. And if we turn it over, this is from Germany, 2011, has the Brandenburg Gate on it. And the mint mark, so Munich. Okay. Then we have some Solomon Islands coin. So because I'm in Australia, I do get a lot of Pacific coins. And here's another Fiji coin. Worth about $2 to $3 each. 2005. And the Solomon Islands reduced the size of their coins in 2012. So they don't circulate anymore with these coins. So Australia in the Pacific has the largest coins around. The next coin we have is from Taiwan. So this one has Sun Yat-sen, the first president of China, 2009. This is 2009, and if you look up there top, it has 98 for the actual date. So if you add 12 to that, it's 11 should I say, it's 2009. And this is a $50. That's exchange rate of $2.50 in Australia. And I like the center. So you've got the, let's see if I can get it. No, it has 50 in the center Oh, there you go. So it has 50 in Chinese characters, and if you turn it the other way, let's see if we can get it. There you go. It has 50 in Arabic numerals. Okay, then we have a current coin of Malaysia. So this is 20 cent. So this is a coin you'll get if you go to Malaysia today in 2022. And it's a nice, beautiful coin. Then we have a previous coin of Vanuatu. So they changed their coins in 2013, I think. I can't remember the dates. So this is 20 Vatu, equivalent to about 20 cents. Nice coin. Then the next one we have is a quarter from the United States. So this is Denver. And, it has George Washington. So these are it's probably like 1 to 200 million of these minted. 2015, and this one is a Louisiana Gistachi. So obviously they're commemorating the bird. And that's quite a nice coin. So, American commemorative coins are pretty awful, but these circulating quarters are quite nice. Then the next one is a 20 cent from New Zealand. So this is 2014. And it has a nice, beautiful... This is my favourite coin from New Zealand. Can't remember the image, but what it's called, but it's a Maori carving. Then we have Thailand. So it says Rama the 9th. I'm not too sure. I haven't seen this coin before. Denomination is... So denomination is there, 5 baht. Oh, I think this is from 1996. But I don't have this coin, so I think I'll keep it. Okay, so this one, Thai coins are not cheap. So this one's probably at least $3 to $4. Then the coin I dropped is, there you go, Dutch coin from the current monarch. So this one has William Alexander. So he took over, I think, about 2014. So the Dutch monarchs have a tendency to retire, unlike the UK monarchs who have a tendency to die on the throne. So the previous monarch before his wife, I think, not his wife, his mum, Wilhelmina, also retired as well in 1980. It's 5 euro cents, and I don't have that coin, and I might keep it. Okay, current coin of Hong Kong, worth about 17 cents. Exchange rate 98, pretty common coin. I think I'll keep that just to spend in Hong Kong. Then we have a current 50 cent coin from Singapore. So I do like these coins. It has a shipping, and the other side, 2013, just has the coat of arms with the 4 languages that you can speak in Singapore. And here we have a 20 cent from the same country. So there's a tower, I think that's from the airport. And I quite like this type of design. And also we have, in here we have the previous coins of Singapore. So here's the copper nickel coins, the nickel plated steel. So the 2 different types. So this is the 2nd series, the 3rd series. And if you look at that, coat of arms. This one looks like, it looks like a die fill and a date. So that's an error coin. And that is a coin I'm definitely going to keep. And if we look at the other one, is the 20 cent coin. So I've got heaps of these 20 cent coins. Maybe I can take them to Singapore and spend them. So they're still legal tender. Then the next one is $5 from Hong Kong, worth about $1 Australian. So this one's nothing special. You can find error coins, but the design's not that good. So that one's going back into circulation in Hong Kong. Okay, we have the smallest coin currently in circulating in Canada. 2004 5 cent with a beaver. And this side has the effigy of Queen Elizabeth, which no other country did adopt. And I quite like that effigy myself. Then silver coin. First time I got a silver coin out of this lot. This is a 6pence. Has a silver value of about, I think about $1, $2, something like that. I don't keep up to date in the silver values, and it's a pretty well circulated coin. So when he passed away in 1952, these kept circulating up until 1966, and even later. So just because the monarch passed away, it doesn't mean they take coins out of circulation. Okay, another Fiji coin, nice thin $1 Sakamori, and this one has a dragon on it. And I quite like these coins from Fiji, they're quite well designed. This one's probably worth about $2 to $3 if you wanted to buy one. Then we have $1 of, well, Canada, and this is called the loonie, because it has a loonie on it. 89, well circulated, so not really worth that much over face value. And it goes well with the Canadian 25 cent. So I heard that the Canadian 50 cent coin doesn't circulate. This is 2009, the current effigy. This is nickel plated steel, 25 cent. Has a moose on it. So have $1.25 there. And okay, I'll just go through these coins in my hands. So I've got another 20 cent coin from Singapore. Not really worth that much. A 10 yen from Japan. So it has a temple and the dates. This is Showa 56. Worth about, I would sell these for about $1. And this one's as well, so I sell these for about $1 as well. 1995. One dirham from United Arab Emirates. Not really a special coin. Okay, 2008 coin from Malaysia. So they changed the coins in 2012. Okay, so here we have a Queen Elizabeth effigy from Fiji, 2009. So it's a 20 cent coin. No, 10 cents, sorry. Pretty damaged, but these still circulate. You can see that the steel is coming through where it's turning black. And the last one we have is one of my favourite coins from the United Kingdom. Worth 20 pence. And I like it because of the thick border around it. And this is from 2001. So we have a rose in the middle. Quite nice to represent England. So is there anything else that we can look at? Okay, wait. No. The last coin we'll have a look is a Macau. So this is a 1 pataka, equivalent pretty much to $1 Hong Kong dollar, but a better design. And these ones here sell for about $2 to $3 each. Anyway, thank you very much for watching my coin channel. I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.